guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jackie and welcome. So I have been doing a lot of little vlogs because I am planning my daughter's 20th birthday and we're doing a cowgirl theme party. I actually only have a couple days to put this together, and if you guys have not watched the previous videos on this birthday theme, make sure that you guys go check those out. I've been doing little things here and there. I have been bringing you guys along for the ride. So right now it's about 11 p.m. and everybody's already asleep. But since I don't have that much time, I stayed up and I'm going to work on a little project. For today's video, I want to work on this little project. I have the number 20 right here, and I showed you guys this in my previous video that I bought at Hobby Lobby. All I'm gonna need for this project is my glue gun, some glue, and also these pieces of leather that I bought at Hobby Lobby. If you guys want a little bit more details, go check out my previous video because I did an unboxing on all the things that I bought on Amazon and Hobby Lobby for this birthday. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna use those things. I also have some feathers here that I want to add. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut up some pieces of leather. I'm gonna glue them onto the number 20, and then I'm gonna add some feathers and basically just make the number 20 fit the theme. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video and that you guys get some ideas, because you guys can do this to letters, to numbers, to anything. So hopefully I'm giving you guys some good ideas for your next birthday party if you're planning something for someone special. But yeah, guys, it is super late. I am tired and I have been vlogging looking a hot mess. Hopefully when the party comes, I'm able to get ready and I don't look like this. But yeah, guys, don't mind my hair. I don't have makeup on, and most of these vlogs are gonna look messy like this because I am just focused on getting everything ready. So yeah, guys, let's get to this video and let me show you guys what I'll do. So this is the number 20. And then I'm just going to open up this bag and I'm going to cut up all the pieces. There's different colors in here, so I get to choose what I want to put on my number. I really like this, guys. I don't remember if this was 50% off because almost everything at Hobby Lobby is 50% off. And I'm going to use the glue to glue it on to here. So, and then after I put the leather, that's when I'm going to glue on the little feathers. But let me grab some scissors because I totally forgot I needed some scissors to cut up all this leather. So I got my scissors. So I adjusted my camera. Hopefully the lighting is not so bad. I'm gonna go ahead and open. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So look, guys, this comes inside of the bag. It's just a bunch of pieces of leather, which is pretty cool because you can DIY your own numbers or letters, and I think this is perfect for a cowgirl themed party. I don't know how this is gonna come out, so let's get started. So I sorted out the different colors, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of gray because I don't want too much gray on my numbers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to like cut this to the shape of the number. And remember, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect because you can always add and take away. So if you guys mess up, don't worry about it. I'm gonna start gluing random pieces to my number. And also, guys, don't be afraid to overlap. So whatever I put on this side, I'm going to put on this side. That way it kind of stays matching. Finishing up here, and like I told you guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. You guys could keep layering it. You guys could keep adding pieces all around. I think that it totally goes with the cowgirl theme. I want to add a little bit of pink to it just because there is some pink throughout the party. But that's why I bought some feathers and I'm just going to add those on there right now. I just found this piece and I am going to add it because I do love this color. I'm going to add some pieces onto it. I'm going to layer it on because I really, really, really like it. Now I'm gonna go in with some feathers. I'm just gonna place them randomly, and then these are the colors that I got, and a little hint of pink, and I'm gonna add one of these to each of the numbers. These are so pretty, guys. Look at this. So this is how my number turned out, guys. And I think it goes really, really well with the theme. But you guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And I'll show you guys how it looks when I put it out, when I decorate outside. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that. But let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Does it look Western? Is it a bit too much? Do you guys like it? What do you guys think? Like this video, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios, amigos.